My name's Melissa Bopp. I'm an associate professor here in the Department of Kinesiology. So the mission of our lab is to examine and understand how physical activity is impacted through communities, policies, and environment in a variety of different populations and settings. We consider the community to be our lab. So my lab is a room filled with a lot of resources that we end up taking out into the community. The importance of our research, I think, falls very much in line with the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services Healthy People 2020 initiative, where essentially we have federal level goals set around trying to create health equity and achieve health for all people, no matter race, ethnicity, income level, urban rural status, sexual orientation, or veteran status. And our lab seeks to try to figure out how physical activity fits into that and how we can arrange our communities, create more supportive environments and policies for physical activity. I do a lot of more hands-on field work and you see an immediate impact. So I think that that's really exciting to see how things change really quickly as a result of some of the research that we do.